Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a small Target haul, and then I'm going to unbox some beauty goodies for you guys on YouTube. So the very first thing I got from Target, I picked up my son this shirt. This is the AC/DC shirt, and it's from their old album cover, and it says Highway to Hell, and it's got all the guys on there. So I just got him that shirt. And then my son, he spotted this. I didn't even know they had a part two of it's like the continuing story, I think, of Pretty Woman. The old one with Richard Gere and Julia Roberts. And this is Runaway Bride. So he said it was like a continuing of it. I'm not really sure. And it was only $5. So I figured why not? I liked it, the first one, Pretty Woman. I thought it was a really cute movie. And then I picked up 2 boxes, guys, of goodies. This is the gigantic big beauty box. It looks like this. And it's got the handle. And it's kind of heavy. It has a lot of stuff in there. And then this box here was another real big box. It's called the Fresh Finds. And it's extremely, extremely heavy. So, let's start with this box. Wow. And you see all these nice goodies in here? Okay. So for this beauty box at Target, and I don't even know what's in here, guys. I have no idea. There's a whole bunch of this stringed, little straw they use like in Easter baskets and stuff. Okay, so it comes with a $5 off coupon for Target. So that's pretty cool. And then here I got, it's called Hair Food. It says smoothing, has argan oil, avocado. Okay, it's like a hair mask. So that's pretty cool. Got a big pouch of that. Then I got a big full-size bottle right here. Oh, that's cool. Is hemp oil, calming relief body oil. So this will be cool. I'll probably use that in the shower. Hemp oil. Then I got another pouch right here of it says illuminating. Okay, you could tell it's a face mask, I believe. It feels like a face mask. Okay, so I think it's a face mask. Sorry guys, I couldn't see with the flash. Right here is like a pouch of something. It's really hard. Let me see. It feels like a stone. What is this? I don't know. I think it's like a stone or something. I have no idea. What is in here? So it's a pouch, and it has like, let me see if I can scoop this out. It comes with a little drawstring bag. What is this? I have no idea. Maybe this is a massage stone or something. I have to read the back of this box and figure out what that is. I have no idea. Then right here, I got a pouch of, this is of a brightening facial scrub. So that's pretty cool. A brightening facial scrub. Okay, what else is in this box? I got a full-size box right here of hydrating eye cream. Hydrating eye cream. And I got this cute little tiny Shea Moisture. This is a body lotion. And then right here, I got another little tiny bottle, trial size of Olay body wash. What else is in here? I think that's it for this box. Oh no, I have a little bottle down here. This one is, it says skincare. Zoom in. It says collagen. Why is it not, oh my God, why is it not zooming in? With this little tube right here, it looks like a facial serum. Sorry guys about all the thing. It's not showing up. Okay, well this box is empty. So each of these boxes were $15, guys. So this one is called the At Home Luxuries. So this is all the stuff that I did get in the box. Now I'm really excited to open up this one, because this one is extremely heavy. It doesn't feel like a few little light packages. It's really heavy. It feels like everything in here is full size. I have no idea. So this one here. Hold on, guys. Let me pause this video and I'm going to open it and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I opened up the box and it's really, really heavy, guys. So this one here, it's in a nice container. Everything's brand new. And this one is called Natural Strength Creamy Coconut. See if it zooms in. I don't even know what it says. Zoom in, zoom in. I don't know if this is a shampoo or a bath powder. I have no idea. So, sorry guys, I can't zoom in, so I couldn't read the item. And this one here, it's a little tiny shampoo bar. So that's pretty cool. Got a little shampoo bar. And then I got more of this confetti type of stuff. I have them in the box. And then this one here, I got a little pouch. And it's called Luster and Lum Collagen Peptide. I think it's like a thing you put in your drink or something. Got that. See what else is in here. And maybe each beauty box is different. I'm not sure if they're all the same or not, so I have no idea. This one's a big full size. Wow, it's a nice big full size. And this is the Humphreys Witch Hazel. I believe this is a facial toner. Whoops. Sorry, guys. I have to keep digging in the bottom of this box. Sorry, guys. I got like this little facial mask thing. I don't know what this is for. I have to read the instructions. I don't know, something like that. And then you get more confetti in here, of course. I'm going to throw all that out. There's like a big box in here. There's a couple of them. Then I got this big full-size Freshness Care Essential Mint. I believe this is a big full-size toothpaste. So that's exciting. And then I got this little pouch here. It's called the Brightening Wand. So I think this is for the teeth, I think. And then next in the box is this little can of dry shampoo. And the last thing I feel in here, and the box looks empty. Yeah, it's empty. And the last item in there is this big box. It's full size. It's extremely heavy. And this one is a texture smoothing cream. Echo Kind, I think it's called. Yeah, I think this is for the hair. So it's a texturizing cream for the hair. I think it is. Yeah, because I never heard of that for the face. And that's it, guys. So these are the two boxes you pick up. Like I said, I don't know if they're all the same or they're, you know, individually different. But it was extremely heavy, and I just wanted to give it a try. And this one also was $15. So for two boxes for 30 bucks ain't bad at all. But these are all the little samples and goodies that I got. So, but this mask here, I have no idea what this is. Maybe it's just a plain cloth one and you could add your own, you know, your own skincare stuff and then lay this on your face. Or maybe this is to help you sleep. I have no idea. And then the other thing that I got in there from earlier is the stone, which is kind of strange. I don't know what the stone is. I don't know what it's for. I don't know. It looks like a massage. I don't have no idea. But it's nice. So anyway, I don't know what that is. So anyway, thanks for watching this haul. Let me put all this stuff away. And I will talk to you guys later on. I will be doing more videos soon. So keep a lookout for that. And anyway, be safe out there. And I will talk to y'all guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.